Yeah. If you can help talk to your sister, I'll be very happy. Because you are my friend. When people talk bad about you, it hurts me the most. See, I'm very serious about this. Please. Because it is said that when someone takes a bad dance in the public, his relation scratches their eyelids. Please, my dear.
Chika, what exactly do you want me to do?
Anwulika, just help talk to your sister Nneka. We all know, everyone know in this village, how your father treated you and your sister with passion.
So you know.
But my dear, peace have to be preached in your family. For you can't quench a burning fire with fuel. Think about this, Anwulika.
Chika, I know we have come a long way. You are my best friend. But you see, in this case and in this matter, I really don't know what to say to you. I don't know what to tell you.
Look at you. The other time, your mother was mocked on her way coming back from somewhere. Are you happy about that? Anwulika.
Who told you that my mother was mocked? Who told you? Eh, Chika, you've started gossiping, Abi?
Anwulika, no. Ndidi said so. Besides, the news is everywhere. Anwulika, come on. Talk to your sister. People should stop this fight. Stop the war. Restore peace to your family. Please.
Igwe, we must do something about this girl's arrogancy and stubbornness.
Yes, Igwe. Trouble, trouble, trouble every time in that family. She said, before us, she said she was going to fight her brother after we might have left. We warned her not to do that. Igwe, you won't believe it. Nneka went ahead and fought her brother, ignoring our warnings completely.
Igwe, it is clear that the cross of the matter, Cross family, is Nneka. She deserves to be banished. If we don't want another person to die in Cross family, yes, that girl must be banished.
Yes! She must be banished. How can a little girl of that age be so arrogant, so stubborn, disrespectful to elders, and what have you?
You see, enough is enough. And too much of everything is bad. Oh. That girl has been so recalcitrant and idiotic. And in support of my fellow elders, she must be banished.
Well, you've all spoken well. But let us look at it from this angle. Every family has its own issues to settle. All of you here, you can't boast of a family that is devoid of bickerings, misunderstandings, crisis. If there's any, I would want to know.
But theirs have gone out of hand, Igwe. We all know that in a family, a particular member can fall out and fall in later. But here we are talking about a case where every day in a house records a fight. Once Yokoro died after separating the fight. Oh. Even the village pastor nearly lost his life because of these same people.
That's Okoro's house of commotion.
Igwe, it's too much, Mba. Something has to be done. It's too much.
Well, I've had you all. And I'm going to do something about their issues very soon.
Hey! Ijedi can be a leaf because you cannot know if it be fake. Oh, God, what have you done? Look at what you did to your family. Look at the fire in your family. Because of your quest for a son. No problem, oh. Now you are dead and left us. What do you want me to do? How do you want me to control this family? Eh? Hey! Chibo! Chibo! Shut up your mouth, or it's so mature. Just look at yourself. Look at what you cost yourself and your junior sister. And you're not ashamed of yourself. If you don't wake up, Becky. Eh? I was walking through the village today. People were pointing at me as if I stole from the market. Even small children, they were all laughing and mocking me. Because of what now? What for? No problem, oh. Are you here? You are here when I even managed to come back to us to meet this terrible fight between you and your sisters. And for what have I done to you? Don't worry. Don't worry. I will die for you and your sister and join your father. Since it will make people happy.
Mama, don't talk about that, Mama. You are not going to.
Come, Machiano. Just look at you. Follow. I will not agree. I will not accept. Look at your face. Eh? You don't want to take my advice or listen to my words. Nothing I said meant anything to both of you. Let me just die. No. So that you will not see what you have caused yourselves. The shame is just too much. Can you? Hey,
Mama, we are not the one causing it now. They are the one looking for our trouble. It's not our fault, Mama.
Mama, rapi faho. Imagine you that like life like what I don't know. Rapi fa. See, Mama. You have not seen anything. The hand that they bring in this house is the same hand I will follow them with. This one I did to them today is small. How could we chai and quazo?
If you let me.
Okoro bobo. Okay, marama. Ahun woke ahun ogologi mi.
Obumo atubemia. Manongo wakachasima. Your beauty has no comparison in this world.
Okoro, when are you coming to see my parents? What is it, my love? Have I said something wrong? I see your mother still doesn't support you marrying me. She just doesn't like me. and you want to leave me because of your mother.
It's not like that.
How is it?
Just that she has a point.
What point?
She said that if you want to know the kind of woman you are planning to marry would be, check her genetic factor and family background of that family and take a picture of the mother of your children.
And what is wrong with my mother?
You know I am the only son of my mother. Your own mother had 6 daughters, no son for your father. So my mother is afraid that you might end up giving me daughters, just like your mother. And you know that my family lineage ends with me.
Ndewo no. Okoro Bobo.
This one you came to. Yeah, working. I hope there is no problem.
All is well. Please, can I see you?
See you. Okay. I will be back very soon, eh?
If you leave me and marry another girl in this village, I will die of shame. Everybody in this village already knows that we're lovers. I can't stand it. They will mock at me if you leave me. Please, my love, don't leave me. I've been thinking about this since that day.
See, Nede, you know my mother said that...
Talking about your mom, I will bear you sons. Yes.
You've been talking as if you're very, very sure.
I'm sure. I am. I'll bear you sons.
See, Nede, I don't want to risk this. I don't want a situation where if I marry you now, you will fill my home with women. If that should happen, I will take a second wife.
I will not disappoint you. Look, my first child will be a son. My second issue will also be a son. So has my chi said of me. I will not disappoint you.
Excuse me. You mean you consulted Alpha Priest?
I'll do anything for you.
Oh, my love, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Oh my God. My heart is filled with joy. Thank you, my love. Why your mom? Hello, love you. Thank you very much. Nigeria, where you are? Shall we go? Nigeria, why you go? Watch it in here again. Chalugo. William Furunaya.
Okoro Bobo.
My son is kicking.
Yes, he's kicking.
See, I can't wait to see my first son. I can't wait to disappoint my mother.
Okoro Bobo. I will not disappoint you.
Oh, William. I love you so much.
I love you too.
I'm so proud of you. And this will be Okoro Bobo Jr. See, as soon as you deliver this baby, I will buy you more jewelries.
I trust you, my husband.
Because come here, you can see more here. You can see more here. Oh, hey, what are you for now? I forget. Come.
Okoro.
Oh, fuck, I see.
This one you're running like this. Who is chasing you?
See, I just received a message that my wife is in labor at home. Yes. Yeah, that is why I want to rush now. I want to be there to receive my son. My first son.
I will join you.
No problem.
Let me finish up.
Please come, Mo. Let me rush, eh? Has she delivered?
Yes. Congratulations.
I hope it's a baby boy.
A very big, bouncing baby girl.
What?
Yes. Mr. Okoro. Mr. Okoro. Mr. Okoro. Mr. Okoro.
Calm down. Come. Your wife will deliver safely. Relax.
You will not understand. Did you hear that?
Yes.
That is the cry of my son.
I told you.
My son has arrived. Otito diri Chineke.
I told you. Mr. Okoro,
Yeah.
congratulations.
I already know. I've heard the cry of my son.
She's such a beautiful girl.
A girl?
Yes. Congratulations.
Just leave me alone. I said leave me alone.
Thank you, please.
You lied to me. You deceived me.
No, I did not lie to you. I believed my G. Please forgive me. Please.
I should forgive you. You don't know what you are talking about.
Please, my husband, I beg you. I'm sorry.
See, what you are asking for is not possible, and you know that.
Okay, just give me the second chance. I promise I'll make you happy. Please, I'll pay you a son. Please.
You want to fill my house with women just like your mother. God.
Oh, my husband, please. I'll make you smile. I beg you, please. Please.
Sidney, as far as I'm concerned, you can never make me smile again. Huh. You disappointed me and my mother. I should have followed my instinct at the initial time. Just leave me alone.
Okwonye kpara nkụ arụrụ si ngwele bịa alụ ya ọlụ ọkwa ka iwe mụta nwa nwoke ka iji ya sezi n'ụlọ gị Okoro ife ịchọlụ nnọọ ifolo nwa bụ nwa nwa nwaanyị bụ nwa nwa bụ nwa nwa nwoke bụ nwa mana nke Chinyelu gị asị gị kene Olisa Okolo ifi cholo no kifolo Abuchuku nenye mwa Abuyi mwanyi na kumwa Mana nke Chinyelu gi Asingi kenolisa Mwa bu mwa nke Chinyelu gi bu mwa
Uncle.
Ned, this is Obi. She's your co-wife. She is my new wife. As you can see, she's carrying my child, my son. So, I'm Obi. Meeting Ned.
Ned, I greet you.
Anyway, don't mind her. Let's go inside, eh? Oh! Who could get cancer come? Why you got more major, my work up? Hey!
She made it! My wife made it!
Ned, she gave birth to a male child. What I have been looking for. God, thank you so much.
Thank God.
Ned, you will take your daughters and back into my grandfather's house. This is my grandfather's house. That is where you'll be living with your daughters from today.
Okoro, are you telling me to take my children to this rickety house?
What is wrong with this house? This is where you'll be staying from today. I don't want my wife to feel so discomforted with my son. So you'll pack in as fast as possible. Is that understood? Hey! Alpha Mega here for you. Jehovah me will go me.
God, why?
I'm so happy.
Why me?
Please, you have to move in fast. My wife will soon arrive. Okay? With my precious son. Let me go inside.
Oh my God. What kind of thing is this now? Why me? What kind of thing is this now? Ah, God. What kind of thing is this? God, what is this?
Yeah. Thank you for coming. Thank you. You know, yeah, Jehovah my Mewoya. Oh, thank you. Mewoya, Jehovah Mewoya. Hey, wait. What is your problem? Do you want to infect my son with your female gene? What are you working on? Come on, see the wine sebapo. Well, I want mujore mulo. Ibi so mango longo. I'm not here. Get out! Don't mind. Please quick, come. Adeli, come. Oh, many men now. Hey.
Nika, what is wrong? Why is your face like that?
Mama, is it true that Papa Afamanuju is also my father?
Yes. Why do you ask?
He's so wicked.
How can you say things like that about your father?
He hates us but loves only Afam and his sister Uju. Why, Mama? He does everything for them and never even know that you are existing.
My child. Don't worry. When you grow up, you'll understand. Don't let it bother you, okay? Okoro. Hey!
The seed you planted into your children has now germinated and is now ripe. It's very ripe now. Why did you have to go, Koro? Why did you have to leave me behind to bear the consequences alone? You would have been here with me so that we can bear the consequences together, Koro. Jai. Hi. Oh. Malo. I'm not a mockery because I gave you children.
Have you heard the latest?
Yeah. Hey, Biakwa, latest on what?
About the new development between Afam and his sisters now. Not heard.
Hey! Radio without battery.
Huh?
Hey!
Biko. Please, don't insult me just because I tried passing an information here. You know,
I don't need it. Learn to mind your business and keep this your mouth shut.
Huh?
Every time, you be talking everything. You build the one you see and the one you don't see.
Well, I can see it's always a bad thing. Each time I try to tell you something concerning your friend and the war zone in their house. Don't worry.
Learn to mind your business.
I won't tell you again. Don't worry.
Every time you be gossiping.
As if you don't need the story. You don't like the gist.
Number one. Hey.
Go. You don't do asheri. You're not her class.
Afamefune. Why can't you put your father's house in order? Are you not old enough to be the man of the house?
Igwe, I am. I am old enough to be the man, and I am the man. Igwe, with all due respect, sir, the problem we have in my father's house is caused by this girl. This girl, Neka here, is the problem in my father's house. Igwe, I have tried everything humanly possible to make peace in my father's house. But the more I try to be soft to accommodate her, the more she becomes arrogant. So Igwe, I have decided as the man of the house to deal with her, so she will know that I am truly the man of the house.
Nega,
Igwe,
I have heard much of your arrogance and stubbornness. My ears are itching me. Do you want the whole village to run away because of you?
Igwe, it is a pity that my father, who is the cause of all these problems, is not here today to witness the result of his actions. Igwe, my father brought in a second wife just because my mother could not give him a male child. And since they came in, my father turned his back on us. Even while we were growing up, he made it clear to us that we were not his children by the way he treated us, and that he preferred the other woman's children to us. Igwe, is it my fault or my mother's fault that she could only bear females? So, why should I be treated like a slave in my own father's house? Why should we be treated as slaves in our own father's house? Igwe, I grew up rejecting that name, slave. And I swore that nobody would treat me like a slave in my father's house. I won't be a slave because I did not bring myself into this world. And I am a freeborn. So why should I be treated like a slave? Mbanu, that is what I'm fighting, Igwe.
It's okay. Afam,
Igwe.
Why would you treat your sister as a slave in her father's house?
Igwe, Igwe, with all due respect, I want you to ask this girl here, where did we treat her like a slave?
Yes, so Igwe Biko. Nilaka Joya. Madam, Zan, in what ways? Respect yourself.
Neka.
Igwe.
I know what you're talking about. I made the same mistake sometime, but I was fast enough to see the after effect, and I had to correct the mistakes. But your own father is not here again. He's dead and cannot correct the mistakes. Would you want to dwell in your father's errors? Can't you forgive him and move on with your life?
Igwe, I don't have a problem forgiving my late father. I don't have a problem at all. All I want is for them to respect me as the first daughter of this family. They should not trample on my rights as the firstborn and the first daughter of this family. Even if he thinks that he is the man, at least he should give me my respect as his elder, because I am his elder. That is all. Nobody should trample on my rights.
Okay. Now that you are all here, your mothers are here, and your siblings are equally here. From today, no one should trample on your rights. If anyone does it, don't fight. Only come and report to me and leave the rest of the matter for me.
Okay.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, Igwe. Thank you, sir.
Igwe. Thank you so much, Igwe, for your timely intervention. You just saved a soul. Before now, I was just contemplating committing suicide. But thank God. Hey, all that is now over. Lalo, Igwe, thank you.
Igwe, thank you very much. Ime Nabiko, thank you. Thank you. Oh?
You are welcome.
Nneka, come. See, let me tell you, Nneka, I want us to walk home together, hand in hand like this.
Hmm?
Yes, like brother and sister.
Yeah.
You walk with Anwari, hand in hand.
Hold on, let's start going home. Hold on, Joe.
Hold your hands now. Let her bring her hand now.
Hold your sister and Joe, let's start going.
Bring your hand, guy.
Walk with her, let's go. Let's go. You like doing stubborn, that's one problem with you. Yeah? What? Huh?
Like fighters.
We thank God for a successful burial rites. And we also thank God for bringing peace into this house. You see, Papa's death has been beneficial to all of us. After all, we now live as a family, one happy family. And we're happy the burial is over now. So what should be coming into our mind now is a way forward with what is left for us. That's what we should be thinking now.
Yes, everybody here is aware that I gained admission into the university. And Papa was about raising money for me to enter the university before he died. Now that he's dead, I think the first thing on our agenda should be how do we raise money for me to go to school in order not to lose the admission?
Yes, so Papa also promised to sell that land he had in Ihiagu.
Yes.
So he can raise money for me to go and start my own trade. Yeah? But unfortunately he died. You see, the buyer of that land kept coming to this place. But I had to tell him to wait. When everything is over, he can now come. Yeah? So I am tired of this village. I am tired of it. I won't lie to you. I can't continue here anymore. I want to go to the city and join others in business. That's what I want to do.
Wait. Wait, let me ask this question. It's been you and your sister. How do my sister and I come into this whole discussion? How are we involved in this so-called family planning? You did not call my sister and my name. You're planning here. We are not among you.
Nneka, see. You people can write jam. By the grace of God, if you people pass, and the business I'm going into, when it starts flourishing, I can now take care of both of you and my sister Oju in the university. I'll be taking care of all of you.
The thing here is this. My own has been in the pipeline for some time now.
That is true.
So,
she's right.
it is only natural and fair that we tackle it first.
Yes, just so I don't lose the admission. Because I'm who with this admission. I studied there and I... Mama, when you people are done with the meeting, you can come home and I'll go. Eh?
Wait, let us finish. Come on,
finish.
Gini, I should stay back here and listen to this disgusting, this sinful act of discrimination.
Nneka, excuse me. What is sinful here? What is sinful? Oh, we are doing this thing as a family, as one family. If we did this thing at your back, you say, we are sidelining you. But now we invited everybody so we can sit down here and, trust.
Afam. Obuhe benine monkey berakwa atopore banana. I don't have any word for you now.
Not even one word.
No.
Mama, I don't even understand you. I don't understand your position in this family at all. You are sitting here. They are talking about your children. You did not say a word. They should go to school and we will stay at home, Abi. I will follow my sister. Me, I will not sit back here. I will follow my sister. Follow them and agree with them. Let's not go to school.
Why is this Nneka this troublesome? Why?
It's okay, Mama Nneka. It's okay? Just calm down. See, once my business starts flourishing, okay? I mean, everything will take shape. Oh, don't worry, don't mind them.
To understand this what he said.
Chineke. When Mama fool. Tom, these children don't have respect. Imagine. They want me to sit there and listen to them tell me to my face that I'm a slave in my own father's house. Sorry, it will not happen. Never. I will not take it. Hey, let me ask you. So, Papa had the intention of taking his daughter to the higher institution, Abi? So, Papa had the money to train the girl? No! So, we are not his daughters, eh? Don't talk! Don't say anything. When it was my time, I lost my admission because Papa said he didn't have money to send anybody to the higher institution. Now, then we just turn. So, Papa had the intention of sending that girl to a higher institution, Aurea. So Papa knows that one can actually sell a piece of land to help in training his children. But he did not do anything for us. He didn't sacrifice anything for us. Hi! Papa! Okay. Papa! Hi!
Nneka, my daughter. Yeah? Everybody knew that your father worked in error. But thank God. Just like Igwe instructed. He said that we are here now to correct his past errors. I want to dwell in the past, so that we don't make the same mistakes again.
Mama, please, I beg you in the name of God. Biko, let me be. You said this issue. I don't want to say anything about it for now. When I am ready to talk, you will hear my voice. No. So for now, please, don't push me. Push me, Biko. Mama, just leave the child alone. Mama, she's saying the truth. How would Papa even have the intention of taking? Is she not his own daughter? So what do you want to do now? Mama, I don't like it too. I don't. You are too strong. Calm your sister down. Mama, I will not calm her. She's on her right. What is wrong with you? She's on her right, Mama. Mama is not. I don't know why you are.
Biko.
I don't know why you are this cold.
Every time you're backing as if you are
leave my sister. She's doing the right thing. She's on her right now, Mama.
Who she go to school? Who she go to school?
Alili ebuemo Ijuwamo Obonye kam gakoro Kedu ifani melu Anyị ji ata fufu Alili ebuemo Obi amawanu Chukwu Nambia Chukwu Nambia Nambia Bia gugomobi Nambia Bia gugomobi Nambia Nalili elibuemo Mmebu akalia Obebe kaigaga Chukwu Nambia Chukwu Nambia
Come on. Hey, welcome. Yeah. Inyaziga kwa jaro. Oh, yeah, try. Whatever. Oh. Okay. Welcome. Oh, you didn't know. I bought something for you, yeah? Let me get it. Alpha Mefula. Eat, yeah? Take care. Hope you like it. You know you're my favorite. Your father loves you so much. And nobody can change anything about it. Don't worry, I'll get you water very soon. Eat. Eat. Eat, huh? Don't worry, huh? Afam! Afam! Hey! Nwoko. Oh, darling. I bought fish for you. What are you doing inside my house? I bought fish for you, eh? Take this big one. Take. Take! Okay. What is it? You also want that one? No problem. Neka, give it to me. I said give it to me! Come on, bring it. Yeah. Hey, welcome. Take two of them. Hey, come, let's go inside. Don't mind your sister. She's a silly girl, eh? Welcome, Mom. Come and eat, eh?
Nika, what is wrong? Why is your face like that?
Mama, is it true that Papa Afam and Uju is also my father?
Yes. Why do you ask?
He's so wicked.
How can you say things like that about your father?
He hates us but loves only Afam and his sister Uju. Why, Mama? He does everything for them and never even know that we are existing.
My child. Don't worry. When you grow up, you'll understand. Don't let it bother you, okay?
Neck is fighting for her right. Okay, Rulani Kamnazo. Makamata Chobanke, Obula Jonwa. If you want peace, I go give you peace, bed in pieces. I dey campe. How can we become slaves in our father's soul compound? As for me, I no go agree. If you want peace, I go give you peace, bed in pieces. I dey campe.
Papa! Papa! Papa, I made it! Papa, I made it! I made it, Papa! Papa, see!
What?
My jam, I got 230. That means I'll go to any university of my choice, so Papa, you know my O level is complete. Hey, Papa, I'm so happy, oh! Nenu.
Is that why you are jumping up and down?
Hey! Nwokoye ho! Yes, now, a lot of people failed, though, Papa. If you go there, you see people crying and crying and crying. Me, I pass. I should be jumping, Joe. Hey, Papa, Nenu.
Who will train you in the university?
You, of course, now. Why are you asking?
How many girls in this village are in the university?
Papa, don't say that, oh. It's not everybody in this village that has my kind of brain, oh.
Better go and look for a man to marry you and drop that nonsense in your hand.
Papa!
I will not spend 1 kobo on any of my daughter's education, especially in the higher institution. Secondary school is good enough for women. That will make them responsible enough to attract men to marry them. That should be your priority, not education.
Neck is fighting for her right.
Never. It will not happen. I will not let it happen. Never. Never.
How can we become slaves in our father's
This girl. I don't know what to say again. I don't know what to say about her.
I found one name because there is nothing new to say in this matter other than the same thing I have been singing like a song since. Now, how are you for man? Oh, jealousy of him. That's what it is.
Telling you.
Mana. Jealousy. Gebuya. Manyawa. Manyawan. Mama fa will die in their jealousy.
Let us leave her. Let us try to accommodate her. Yes, let us accommodate them. I wouldn't like this peace we worked so hard to get to elude us.
Well, I don't have that time. I don't have that time. Mama, I don't have their time. I have said it. After all, Igwe already said it. Igwe said it. Igwe said if she misbehaves again, that he will deal with her. So, I am off. I don't have her time.
She knows now. Oma.
Hey! Chika, where are you coming from?
Good afternoon, Papa.
Where are you coming from?
Papa, from my friend's house.
Which of your friends?
Come.
You see, I want you to stop visiting that house.
But Papa, why now?
You see, since they have refused to keep their house from being a war zone, I want you to stop visiting there.
But Papa...
Hey! Stop that. Get inside.
I lost 2 of my admissions. 2 admissions, 2 into the university. Because Papa said there is no way he will send any of his daughters to the university. He said women are not meant to further their education. That instead they should concentrate on getting married and building a home in their husband's house. So, how can that same Papa be planning to send Uju to Polytechnic? Is Uju a boy? Uju okay? Eh?
Yeah. Neka, why are you here? What are you blabbing about? Give me a call. What is your point? Are you trying to say that I lied against Papa?
What's my business? Whether you lied though, or you told the truth though, it makes no difference to me. My point is, it will be gross wickedness. In fact, wickedness of the highest order for Papa to be planning to send you to the Polytechnic when he told me point blank that there is no way he will spend his money on sending any of his daughters to the university, thereby making me lose my admission.
Nneka, Igwe said it all. Igwe has already said everything we wanted to hear. Yes, Papa made a terrible mistake. He made some big mistakes. But we cannot continue with those mistakes. Papa left behind. We are meant to correct those mistakes that he left behind and not to continue from there.
Bam! I support you. We're saying the same thing. So, if the mistakes have to be corrected, then we have to start doing the right things.
Which is?
I am the first daughter of this family. The Ada. So, since we have decided that all of us should further our education, no problem. But it has to start from the top. So, Uju will have to wait until I secure my admission, start school, before she begins. There is no way Uju will jump me and enter the university. For what now? Then me, I will not stay at home. Nah, Chararianya. Are there many not drop possible? I mean,
if you want to enter the university, come to Kwagodo. Bidokita chika di mo and start making your plans while you still can. Because if you think for any reason that I will give up my admission,
Not possible.
in fact that I will let this admission slip, he must be the biggest joker in this village.
In which house? Onuna. It won't happen in this house now. I mean, no. Instead, you start looking for how to pack out of here. Even Papa himself would not have sent you to school without sending me to school. It wouldn't have been possible. No. After all, I did not bring myself to this world. Papa gave birth to me. So, I have to be treated like a daughter, not like a slave in my own father's house.
So, Neka, what are you trying to say? What do you mean? What are you trying to say?
The last error that will happen in this house is for me, Neka, to watch a girl that I knew when she was born jump me and enter the university with our father's money. It will not happen. Since we have decided that we will further our education, it has to start from the top down to the last person. If it doesn't happen like that, then nobody will go to school. Nobody will go to school.
I can see you're hungry.
Nobody
Hungry fowl.
If you want peace, I go give you peace, bed in pieces. I dey campaign. How can we become slaves in our father's whole compound? As for me, I no go agree. If you want peace, I go give you peace, bed in pieces. I dey campaign.
How you want to
Good.
What did she say?
What did she say?
What else did she say apart from her normal Nwokoye? Hey, look at this girl. Biakula Basi that while Papa was alive, Papa said that he would never ever train any of his girls in the university. And because of that, she lost 2 admissions. So therefore, Kita Mwaba Nuju with his admission. No one ever needed.
Oh!
Nwokoye. Anako.
Chineke na ogene nduru biko. Kini ka ye medi ngwata kila?
What is this girl's problem?
Because let us leave. Let us take it easy with her. Because no. Afa.
Mama, you see all those things she's doing? You see all those gra she's doing? Mama, she's not doing it to me.
Oh man.
I'm in possession of the money we got from our father's burial. It is with me as the Okpara, the first son.
Although I'm in position to sell that land, not her. She's a woman. She go look for her husband and sell her husband's land. Not my father's land.
I know all that, Biko no. I know all that. But what I'm saying is that let us give this peace a chance. We desperately need this peace, Biko no.
TCP?
I'm talking a small. Everything you're saying now, you're disturbing my food. The stew that you had is sweet, though. I'll take it.
Sister, don't accept. Don't agree at all. Ekwekwala. Don't. Nebe. Mwa. I agree. I should agree for that small girl to go to higher institution before me. Hey, that one is story for the gods, so. Story for the gods, so. Oh, me. It will not happen. I trust you. They think they have sense. They don't have any. They don't have no sense.
Shut up your mouth.
Mama.
What is wrong with you? Make it for joy. Enough for your. What is wrong with you? Please, I'm begging you, for the interest of peace, let bygone be bygone, you know, go.
Mama, even Lucifer himself, that Lucifer that is pushing them to do what they are doing now, knows that what you just said now is impossible. Hey. I will not allow them ride us. Papa.
Remember what Ibu told us.
That is the more reason I'm doing what I'm doing, Mama. That is the more reason. If they want to correct my past mistakes, they should start from the top, down to everybody. But if you're saying that I should wait for them to go to school first, before they even think of sending me to school, I say, Mama, I'm the first. And if anybody wants to go to school in this family, I should be the first. I will not allow
it will not even work. It will not work. Sister, I am behind you. It won't work. It won't work. It will not work. How will my sister not go to school? It will not work. Mama, you just calm down. It won't work. No, it will not work. Just leave that one you are saying, Mama.
Oh, Mana, I think you should talk to that girl. You should talk to her.
My sister, I have done my best. Sincerely, I have spoken with her. I don't know why my daughter Neka is this stubborn. Where she got her stubbornness from, is what I don't know exactly.
Okay, I think I should talk to her. Maybe I should talk to her. Can't cook any open now.
Talk what? But Biko, hey, don't try it, Biko. It will only bring more catastrophe. Please, don't do it. I beg you.
Then what are we going to do? Are we just going to sit down and watch?
To be honest with you, I think the best thing to do is for one person to succumb to the other. Otherwise, we have not achieved any peace.
I don't think my children will do that. I don't think they will. See, the last thing Obianuju will do is to let go of her admissions. She will not. She will not.
That means there's a big problem. Very big problem.
If you want peace, I go give you peace, let it pieces.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
Fine, thank you, Mama.
Is your father around?
Yes, Mama. He's at the backyard cutting palm trees for the goats.
Okay.
Let me go and call him.
It's you I have come to see.
Mama, hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. My dear.
Mama.
I have come to see you in respect of my stepdaughter, Angorika.
Mama, I hope there's no problem.
There's no problem. I know she's your friend. She's your very, very good friend. Please, I want you to help me. I want you to help me bring peace. Do something that will help me bring peace into that family. There is no peace in my family.
No, it's okay. Peace. It's okay, Mama. But you know, Angorika is far older than I am, so...
I know. You are a very wise and understanding girl. I know that you can help me. You can talk to her. She's your friend. A very good friend of yours around this village. I know.
Ma, it's okay. Yeah, come inside and sit down. Come. Stop crying.
Igwe, I lost 2 of my admissions. 2 of my admissions into the university. Because of my father. He made me lose it. And now, Uju wants to enter higher institution before me. Odema. Is it fair? When I talk now, they will say I am stubborn. They will say I am stubborn. But they are the ones trying to make a fool of me. Trying to make me feel like a slave in my own father's house.
I understand how you feel. Since we have agreed to correct the errors of your late father, I think you have a point. There's no one who will be in your shoes who wouldn't feel so bad. Cheating is not good at all. She has to step down. You have to go first.
Hey. Thank you. Thank you so much, Igwe. Thank you. May God will bless you. Thank you very much.
Don't cry. It is well.
Igwe.
Obiageli,
Igwe.
we've all agreed to correct the mistakes of your late husband.
Yes, Igwe. Igwe, but Nneka is...
Hold on.
Igwe.
Leave Nneka alone. That money that was realized from the burial of your late husband, if there is anyone that is to be sent to school, it should be Nneka and not your daughter, Obianuju.
Igwe, but you know that Obianuju got admission.
I'm still talking.
Igwe.
If any land is to be sold, part of the process must be put in the bank to see her through her university career. She should not be denied of her rights as a daughter.
Igwe, but nobody is denying anybody of any right.
Obiageli,
Igwe.
have I made myself clear?
Yes, Igwe.
Have I?
Yes, Igwe.
Good.
Igwe.
Listen, call Afam for me so that I can talk to him myself.
Okay, Igwe. Igwe, I will do just that, Igwe. Thank you, Igwe.
You're welcome.
Me, I cannot miss his admission, no. I cannot miss it for anything. Not after I have worked so hard to get it. I can't miss it. Oh, Dukanoma.
Uju, Igwe already said it. Huh? He said it.
Afam, can't you see what is going on here? Can't you see it is all a conspiracy? Don't you see what is going on? These people have connived and conspired with the Igwe to deprive us of our joy. Don't let them. Don't let them. It is their jealousy that is choking them. That's why they want to do this to us.
Abi?
Don't let this happen. Afam, I beg you, do not let it happen, no. Because I will never. I will never forgive you if you let it happen. I won't. Okay, ma.
Uju, so what do you want me to do now?
Come.
Yeah, smile. Look at it. This is the pillar. Okay. So it's from here to that side.
Where exactly?
That's where they have that umbrella tree.
That umbrella tree there?
Yes, that umbrella tree.
Okay. All belongs to you?
Yes, me.
That's fine. I like the sites.
Oh, no, this one is very good. Okay. Can build shop, anything.
There will be no problem.
No. It's my land.
Let's go.
Okay, you drop me. Thank you. Tires are very nice. Look at the AC.
As soon as the land business is through, you can wear your
No. I want to do business.
You want to do business?
But the AC cooling very well.
If you do your business, you make profit, you buy your own air-conditioned car.
No, I don't want air-conditioned car. Instead, I will buy a pickup that I can use and be loading things, doing bush market business.
Oh, you're enjoying the AC?
I'm enjoying it. Even that pickup too, I can sit at the back.
Unafugo kijenu wasiadi Oponye baranku aruru singwele bialu yolu Okwa kiwe muta mwawoke kijiyese sinologi Okoro ifi jolo no kifolo Mwabu mwanyi bumwa Mwabu mwawoke bumwa Mananke chinyelugi Asingi kenolisa Okolo ifi cholo no kifolo Abu chuku nene mwa Abu imwa yena mwa
Sister, what is it? Hey, sister. Our farmer Nuju left for the city as early as 4 a.m. They left this house 4 a.m.
Are you sure?
Who told you? Sister, the people that saw them when they were going told me. They said it and I heard them. 4 a.m. They sneaked out of this house.
Here's Yoku. No problem. Help me pound this thing. I'm coming.
If you want peace, I go give you peace, bed in pieces. I take how can we become slaves in our father's soul compound? As for me, I no go agree. If you want peace, Hallelujah, buemo, Hallelujah, buemo, Ijuwemo, Obonye kam gakoro. Good
morning. Where are your children? My dear, I woke up this morning and I couldn't find them. I went to their rooms and they were not there.
So you're trying to tell me that you don't know that they left for the city this morning? Or if you're not
City? It's a city. I went into their room. Jesus. And I didn't find their bags there.
The burial money. Where is it? Can I body?
Burial money? It's that farm that is holding it.
Chico! Are you telling me that farm don't leave that money with you?
No.
No. They will come back here to meet me. If they come back, they will meet me here. That if you want to see, you will see it. He left with the money.
If you want peace, I go give you peace in pieces.
These children, do they want to kill me?
If you want peace, I go give you peace, bed in pieces. I take and pay.
But Ndidio, how come you hear all the gist in this village, even the one that is yet to be revealed?
Because I tell you about Neka and her family. Is that why everybody now tags me as Miss Know-It-All? Trying to crucify me. Anyways, the truth must be voiced out.
Ndidi.
That's my name.
Come on. Does it mean that you don't have any other thing to do in this village? Now to go about gossiping everywhere. Everywhere.
Oh, look at.
They have broken your mouth. Very soon, they will cut off that your tongue.
Let it be. Let it be. Did I mention your name? Eh? Or am I the one that asked your friend Nwokoye and her sister to be living like cat and rat? Please, leave me alone, I beg.
Is it your business? Oh, Chelo, how does that concern you really? Is your own family better than theirs?
But at least their family house is not a war zone.
Shut up! Did I ask you? Look at them. They are Serenabo. Best of the same feather. Come and separate for me. I want this big one. Give me your one. Give me this one. This one. Please. Go see. That's it.
Hey! I'm talking to you. Hey! What are you people doing on this land?
Ntachara, let's walk.
Hey! I'm talking to you people and you are not answering me, Abi. I ask again, what are you people doing on my father's land? You don't want to talk, Abi? You don't want to talk? Okay. I'm a fool for asking you. Okay, no problem now. Clear it very well. Clear it. I'm coming. Just keep clearing it. You hear me? Keep clearing it. Don't answer me.
Oh boy, come. Oh boy. See, you better make me go meet that man. Oh. I don't want trouble. Oh.
Hey, Akbo, are you the one saying this? Eh? Is it because of this thing that this girl just came on Latin, talk nonsense, and you're even afraid? See, let me tell you, if you don't need money for Imechive, me, I need money. I need the main Hashime. Let's walk.
You will be obeyed. Me, I don't need money. I tell you, I don't want problem. I don't talk my own finish. Okay. I don't tell you.
Don't walk again. Go and join her so that you people can call the entire village and come and fight me. Don't walk. If you don't need money, I need the Mego Haji. Stay there.
Make we walk.
As big as you are.
Make we walk. Make we walk.
Continue. If you don't need money to Haji, I need money.
Who tells I don't need money?
Who is she going to call, sir?
Unafugo kijenu wasiadi okonye parakuaruru singwele bialu yolu okwa kiwe muta mwoke kijia sesi nologi
Neka! 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 Neka!
What is it? You didn't fetch water again?
No, I did not. I saw some men working on that farmland. Yes.
Which farmland?
That farmland. They are working on it as I'm talking to you.
Chero.
And it's true, they've sold the land.
You saw some people?
Yes.
Working on the land?
With my eyes. Yes. Now, they are still there. I saw them. They were working there.
We are girls, but we can do more than a man. Come back!
Nek is fighting for her rights. Okerulanye kamnazo. Makamata choba nke obula jonwa. If you want peace, I go give you peace. I told you that I saw them with my own eyes. How can we become slaves in our father's soul compound? As for me, I no go agree. If you want peace, I go give you peace. But in pieces, I take and play. Nek is fighting for her rights. Okerulanye kamnazo. Makamata choba nke obula jonwa.
Igwe, I made the arrangement with Okoro before he died. I needed to build my bakery on that land. And I paid Afamifula the last kobo for that piece of land.
Go and call him. Tell him that I want to see him.
Igwe, where can I find him? I went to their house and the mother told me she doesn't know where he went to.
Then you don't need your money back. As for that piece of land, you will never step a foot on it until he comes back to answer to my call.
Wow. You better say it all.
Please, my knees are on the ground. Go and remove the Omo from the land so that I can claim what I rightfully purchased with my hard-earned money. Pikunu.
Iked, Igwe has told you what to do. So I will advise you to do exactly what he told you to do. You know, go.
Nobody knows Afam's whereabouts. No one is even sure if he still has the money. That is why I'm here, to see if I can at least claim back the land.
Are you a fool? But Ibudeyu, how can you go and do land transaction with just Afam? So Afam, Ofunye Newana. Why didn't you ask questions well?
I'm sorry, I know I've made a mistake. I actually had this arrangement with your father when he was alive. So I thought the entire family knew about it.
You thought? You thought? Why not
I'm really sorry. Please consider my predicament. I know I've made a mistake. Go and speak to Igwe on my behalf. Tell him we have settled.
Me? For what, Kwan? Why would I do that? If you had considered our own predicament, you would have done the right thing. And if you had done the right thing, you wouldn't be here begging. So whose fault? Fault Onye. Here.
I'm really sorry now. Please, try to look for a way to help me out of this predicament.
Tell Mama, is he talking to you?
Because I'm very sure he's not talking to you. Land. If you know those people bought land from, why don't you go and retrieve your money? Okay, go, mom. Yeah, no, come on, because nah, how come you feel a sick one? I don't know why you're kneeling down. Go and collect the money from the people you bought land from.
Please, madam, I'm begging you. I don't want to buy the land anymore. Where is your son? Because I need to get my money back from him.
My dear, like I have told you, my son is not here, as you can see. Why should I be hiding my son? Why? All I know is that he went to Onisha to go and learn a trade with a friend. I don't even know where this friend of his lives. I don't. But I know it is in Onisha.
Hey, Abamoto Ndiori. Look, madam, I don't care to know what you're talking about. What I know is that I need my money. So you need to provide your son. I'm not taking this easy with you. And this is final.
Hell, these children, Pachodi Ibu me Ibu cousin. Pachodi Ibu.
Igwe.
Where is the money you made from the burial of your father?
Igwe, you see, I will use some. I gave in fact I gave my sister. I gave my sister so she can take it for her school accommodation, her school fees, and textbooks. That was what I did with the money.
Afam.
Igwe.
Where is the money you made from the sale of that piece of land?
Okay, that one. That land money.
Yes.
Okay, that money is in Onitsha, where I went to learn trade. My master, the man that I went to work in his place for him to teach me how he does his business, his kind of trade. I had to pay him 3 months for the teaching. Then I gave him the other money to hold, so that after my apprenticeship, I can use it to start my own.
So you gave the money you realized from the burial of your late father to your sister Uju, eh?
No, I did not just give it to her. We paid for her school accommodation and other things, sir. The money was not even too much. The money was very small. I even added money from the land money.
So it is only you and Uju, your sister, that are entitled to Okoro's dividends.
No,
so Neka and her own sister can go to hell and die of, eh?
No, Igwe, I did not say that.
Afam.
Igwe.
Go and get back the whole money. If you don't want to get me upset, I want the whole money back.
All the money?
Yes.
Okay, I've heard you, Igwe. But Igwe, you have to give me some time. You have to give me some time to go and look for the money. Igwe, please. Igwe, I wanted to ask you, please. The man that bought the land, can he make use of the land? Because the land is just wasting.
As far as I am concerned, that piece of land is not sold yet. You must put your father's house in order before you can sell any of his properties.
Okay, sir, but the house is in order. Please, let them just start doing small.
It is not in order.
Where will I start from? Where will I begin?
Okolo ifi cholo no kifolo abuchukwu nenye nwa abụghị nwanyị na nwa mana nke Chinyelu gị asịngị ike n'olisa nwa bụ nwa nke Chinyelu gị bụ nwa mkpọlekolo n'ezinụlọ gị
biko nunu polisi biko shonu mama broko onye oshi polisi. What is all this his father's land? What rightly belongs to him? He's the rightful owner of that land. Biko nunu eji chukwu ayonu polisi biko nunu mama broko onye mama broko onye Mama bro kwere akwa nne ya kole akwa his rightful property kole bigodwo chimo
So Mama, what is the police saying now?
They said that Afam should agree with the family members to sell that land. That is by removing the omu on it. Or that he should bring the money he sold that land for.
What is their interest in it?
I don't understand it. What is the interest of the police?
Do you know that the Igwe is interested in it? He is involved.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey! Hey, Mama! Oh!
What is the shouting?
I said it. I said it. Now look at it. Now it is playing out. I said it that Nneka has conspired with the Igwe. Two of them have conspired and connived to deprive us of our inheritance. Man, I'm not means to the law. By the time I finish with the Igwe and Nneka, by the time I'm done with two of them.
What is it? What is the problem now? We are even saying that you have wreaked enough havoc. You have! And you still want to wreak more. Why? Zibo, why? In the first place, why did you connive with your brother to go and sell that land? And you sneaked out in the night. Why? Why? Guinea, me. You're not answering me. Would you? Yabekwa nanka. You're not peace, no. Obianuju. Ujunwa.
Ọkwa ihuru gị, ma nne gị, ma nwanne gị shi ukwu ahụ, unu ncha niile, jealousy will kill all of you. Okpukpo n'obi, anya ụfụ, ọ ga-egbu unu ncha. It will kill you all and bury you. Because me, take come out. Just kill me. Ihe mbugodibo rebranded. Now I'm latest arrival. Latest edition here woman. University babe, all easy. So that jealousy nemunu. Okay, bukuno. Because this Obianuju right here is already in the university. And too bad. There is nothing concabilities like you can do about it. You know?
After
Neka, my brother Afamefuna does not owe any of you apologies for selling my father's land. Because he is a man. And as a man, it is only natural, going by the customs of our people, that he inherits the land. How many lands did he inherit? Rubbish. Neka, go and make sure my brother comes out of the cell today. Because if peradventure, that is university English, he sleeps in the cell today, again, you will see what I will do to you. Look at what I have here. This is Android technology. I'm tap on screen now, and men are tore down Carlos. If any name working at this compound, if my brother should sleep, you will know that I am no longer the village girl I used to be. Nahem was the latest arrival. Yes. Kilibe, what are the man? Kilibe, yes.
It's again. You're no longer the village girl because he went to College of Education. Come on, TTC. That's why I'm making mouth. When your mates, they have degrees, they're in the university. You know, at College of Education, I go Igbo BK. You want to eat a woman. Neka. Neka, bye. Holanu ka jealousy sieme. Ipape kwara school. Mana anyu fu emego gigila akoye bagoraba. Akangima. I am better than you. Let the jealousy kill you. Ya obwegi. Or this is where aligiga. Or school because he could not have it. Oh no. I cannot stay here and waste my learnedness with you. Mba, biya no ki le kuto oku. Igbo bike.
Of this. I came into this world before you. I cleaned this place and built this house. But I did not live in peace in it. Now you go. Go and sweep the right place. Make amends. And mend my mistakes. Go. Go and take care of the family I left behind for you. Now go. Go.
Ijuwamo obonye kam gakoro kedu ifani melu anyị ji ata afụfụ alili ebuemo obi agbawanumo chukwu nnambia nnambia bịa gụgụọ m obi nnambia bịa gụgụọ m obi o nnambia na lili eluigwe m mmegbu akalịa ọ bụ ebe ka anyị gaga chukwu nnambia Chukunambia Obi abawanu Chukunambia Nambia Bia gugomobi Nambia Bia gugomobi.
Papa, what are you doing? What are you eating? Papa, you're crying.
Yes, I'm crying. I'm crying because of all the wrong I did against you and your mother. I've sinned against the heaven and the earth. I am not worthy of your forgiveness.
Papa, it's okay. Please, just stop it. Papa, stop it. Biko, just stop.
If you really want me to stop eating this maggot, then you have to promise that you're forgiving me of all the wrong I did against you and your mother. I hated you and your mother, an innocent woman, for no just cause, all in my quest to have a male child. Please forgive me. I promise that you will start loving your brother and your sister so that you will not end up the way I've ended up.
It's okay. But please, stop eating these maggots, Papa. They are so disgusting. They are disgusting. Oh.
Promise? Promise?
Yes. Yes, Papa. I promise.
That's my first daughter.
Stop. Stop.
Alili ebuemo Ijuwamo Obonye kam gakoro Kedu ifani melu Ani ji ata fufu Alili ebuemo Obi abawanu Chukunambia Nambia Bia gugomobi Nambia Bia gugomobi Nambia Nalili elibuemo Mmebu akalia Obebe kaigaga Chukunambia Alili ebuemo Ijuwamo Obonye kam gakoro Kedu ifani melu Ani ji ata fufu Alili ebuemo Obi abawanu Chukunambia Nambia Bia gugomobi Nambia Bia gugomobi Nambia Nalili elibuemo Mmebu akalia Obebe kaigaga Chukunambia
My father came to me in my dream last night. And he apologized to me. He apologized dearly. And I forgave him. Igwe, I want peace now. Okay. All my grievances have been taken away. I am no longer angry.
Okay. Nega.
Igwe.
I am happy to hear this. Come. Come and hug me. You are a golden child.
Hey, have fun. Hey, Afam.
Momo.
Afam, come. Afam. Afam, honestly, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for always fighting you and always quarreling with you. Sorry, you're my brother, so stop. Yeah?
I am the one that owes you an apology. I owe you a serious apology. I'm sorry for everything that has happened, okay? And never will you and your sister be relegated again in this family.
Hey!
Are you serious?
I'm sorry for
It's okay. And never again will Suarez Luis bite me again. No!
I'll never will he bite you. Never will he.
He's hungry, oh! Let's give him food. Come. Come.